I'll be showing you step by step how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. So let's start things off from our Shopify dashboard here. And the way we're going to do this is head to Online Store on the left-hand side menu. The Themes section should be open automatically. And from there, I'm currently using my very own theme, Conversion King, which is a theme designed to make you more money and more sales in any niche. There's a link in the description below if you want to check that out, as it includes 20 plus conversion boosting features. But let's go and set up our favicon. So I'll hit customize, and this process should be a similar pattern for just about any Shopify theme. And so typically the favicon is located under the overall settings. And we can access this here by heading to the left-hand side under theme settings, and there should be an option labeled favicon. From there, we can go and select an image. To note, it's going to be scaled down to 32 by 32. So I'll click select here, and I'll just select this older logo square here, and I'll click that and hit save. And just like that, we've selected our favicon image. And to finalize that, all we need to do is hit save in the top right here. If I pull out a new tab here of my URL for my store, I can see the favicon right here has been updated to this logo I just put in. So that concludes the video. Nice short and sweet one there to update your favicon. And again, this process should apply to any theme. The theme I'm using is my very own theme called Conversion King. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out, as you get lifetime access, as well as over $1,000 of free training. And I'll be there to help you. If you have any questions, you can just send me an email. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next one.